Alright guys, Georgia Jim. Got a challenge lock here from Cajun lockpick. It's called New Tricks, I believe. It's inscribed on the side of the lock, so my short-term memory may have already bit me on that. I think that's what it's called though. Alright, this is a Schlage keyway, so I'm going to use a wiper insert in the bottom. Find one. Let's see. That should be good. Stick a 50 in there. We got some slop, so probably lots of spooling. One is loose. 2, 3, 4, 5 is loose. We get up under 6. All right, got to click on 6. 5 feels good. Did I drop something? Yeah, drop 6. No? 5 feels good. There we go. It was 4. Nothing on 3. Keep that in there. See about 1. I think 1 is good. Let's check 2 now. Still binding. Stay on that pin. Still binding. Still binding. All right. All right, let's get that one gutted. Set that there. That's a C-clip. All right, let's see. Lock it back. All right, what do I do with the key? It's right there. You want to shim it, of course. All right. And yeah, New Tricks is what it was called. All right, let's pin 1, 2, move that down a little bit, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, we got some counter milling or threading. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, nothing in 6. All right. Yep. All right, we had a, let's see, this 6 or, let's see. All right, this is 6, okay. With that copper spring, we had a spool there. Come on, focus, there we go. All right. right, we got a serrated on 5. This weird little wedge pin on 4. Standard on 3. Get that spring out. Okay, mushroom on 2. And another key pin. I'm sure they were using like a driver. And we had copper springs on 1 and 6. And everything else. There we go. I had steel springs. Here's that wedge pin. If I can. That's something new. All right, that's it for New Tricks by Cajun Lockpick. All right, guys, thanks for watching.